Hey everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Chipolo POP on an Android phone. It's really quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first step is to make sure you have the correct apps on your Android phone. So you need the Chipolo app and the Find Hub app. Those are both free in your Play Store, so you can go ahead, download the Chipolo app and install that. And also make sure you have the Google Find Hub installed as well. So once you've got those installed, we'll go ahead and open up the Chipolo app. Gives us a few different options here, start or log in. If you already have an account, you can log in there, or if you want to log in with your Gmail account, I'm just going to go ahead and hit start. And it's going to ask us some questions. Allow access to nearby devices. Chipolo app needs nearby devices permission to use Bluetooth. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Allow Chipolo to find, connect, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. We're going to go ahead and allow that. Allow notifications. We'll hit continue. And allow Chipolo to send notifications, again, allow. And it's going to bring us to the main screen here, and we can go ahead and tap on add a new Chipolo here. And it's going to want us to log in, so we can continue and create an account with email, or you can continue with Google. I'm going to go ahead and tap that and log into my Google account. And once I tapped on my Google account, it's going to log us in. We can go ahead and select the type of Chipolo we have. So this is the Chipolo POP. We'll go ahead and tap on that. And it says to tap twice. So where it says Chipolo here on the tracker, we're going to push that twice. Like that. And it says Chipolo POP uses Find Hub as the primary app. Make sure you add this first. So we've done that already. We can go ahead and hit continue. And it found it here in the Find Hub. We'll go ahead and hit connect. It's connecting. Use responsibly. You can read through that. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Open the Find My Device app to manage Chipolo POP. So we'll go ahead and open that. And in here, you can see all my devices, and my Chipolo POP is here in the Find Hub app. Now let's jump back over to the Chipolo app here. And we'll back out. And now it says Chipolo found. So we'll go ahead and hit continue in here as well. And it says finishing up. So you kind of have to do things in both of the apps to have all the functionality. So now this is set up in here as well. We can start the tutorial if we want. I'm going to skip the tutorial. And it says missing location permissions. So we need to enable these. Allow Chipolo to access the device location. Allow access to location at all the times. We'll enable that. And physical activity. Chipolo needs access to physical activity to provide relevant out-of-range alerts for your Chipolos. Enable that. And then we can go ahead and hit done. And now when we tap on our Chipolo here, it gives us all sorts of options as well. So we can open up the Find Hub app to see where it's located. We can turn on out-of-range alerts, so you'll get notified if you leave your Chipolo behind. It just pops up on the phone. You can call your cell phone. You can set that on or off. So what this does, I can double tap on the Chipolo and it'll start ringing my phone. You can change your ringtones in it as well if you want. Merry Christmas. Summer is calling. So whatever you like. It's uploading the ringtone. You can play some tic-tac-toe. Give it a second there. Oh. And this is a cool feature as well. You can also take a selfie. So if you tap on this, open the camera, allow Chipolo to take pictures and record video. It allows me to take selfies here. You can see my camera there, but you can double tap the Chipolo button and it takes photos as well. So super handy that way. And then there's some other options and settings there as well. And really it's that simple to set up your Chipolo POP tracker.